I'd rather be a famous reggae musician. Reggae in the bathroom, reggae in the bedroom, reggae everywhere. Welcome back to our channel, Fosco TV. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe icon down below and also hit the notification bell. Going forward, today, my wife will be asking me some fun relationship question. So if you want to know more about this, please sit and enjoy it. We'll be right back.
Would you rather stay in or go out for a date night?
Well, I'd rather stay indoor with you now. Stay indoor, have some fun, watch television and all of that, you know. But I like to stay indoor.
Would you rather play a board game or watch a movie with me?
I'd rather play a board game. I'm not a movie kind of person. Most times when I'm watching a movie or watching a film with my wife, I keep asking her, waiting till they talk for the next scene. Waiting that guy talk. So I'd rather play a board game with my wife than to watch a movie with her. Snooker, Ludo, and any other kind of things. It's games.
Would you rather be a movie star or a famous musician?
I'd rather be a famous reggae musician. Reggae in the bathroom, reggae in the bedroom, reggae everywhere. Reggae enjoy, everybody. I am every day, you know. I'd rather be a reggae musician, you know, famous.
Would you rather go into the past and meet your ancestors or go into the future and meet your great-grandchildren?
Ancestor, okay. No. I'd rather go to the future, meet my great-grandchildren and, you know, tell them how to live their life and all of that. I'd rather do that. Ancestor, okay. What do you can do?
Would you rather spend the next year exempt from all taxes or have 1 month paid vacation?
I'd rather exempt that 1 year. I don't want to pay bills. I don't want to pay bills. That 1 year, I don't want to pay bills. 1 year free. Waiting be a vacation, 1 month vacation. What I can do? No pay bill, just stay for free house. Pay what? No pay water bill, no pay light and all of that. Just live a free life.
Would you rather always speak your mind or never speak again?
Me, I go speak. Me, I go speak my mind. Me, I go talk. Then I'd rather speak my mind 24/7. 24. I'll tell you. Tell my wife as you got to be, or tell anybody around me as you got to be. Whether I like them or not to take them, but I'll speak than to rather remain silent ever.
Would you rather put a stop to war or end world hunger?
That one is tricky. I'll explain now. You see, if you put an end to world hunger, you can't even put an end to world hunger when the world or the community or the city or the society is at war. So the first thing I'll do is I'll put an end to war. Then I'll find a strategy or method of how to stop world hunger. So I'll do that one first.
Would you rather give or get a bad advice?
I would rather get a bad advice. I don't like giving people wrong and bad advice. I rather want to get a wrong advice. You know, the thing is this, I'll get a wrong advice. I will now sit down, see what I want to hear or what I want to do with that advice that person has given to me. So I'd rather take a bad advice and give a bad advice.
Would you rather lose your keys or your cell phone?
Is it car key? Is it bedroom key? Is it a sitting room key? Is it my savings? It's tight too. If not you, what you go do? But I feel because of my contacts, I can easily break the door now, scatter the padlock and all of that and buy a new key. But my phone, if I lost my phone, I've lost my contacts. You know, everything is everything. I'd rather want to misplace my keys.
Would you rather always be gossiped about or never talked about?
Hey, then gossip me, oh. Gossip me, because when you gossip me, that means I'm doing something right. I'm doing something right. You know, see that guy? Because he didn't buy that small car. He did form. You know, see that guy? Because he didn't just buy land. He did form. You know, see that guy? Because I would rather gossip me than not talk about me. Because when they talk about, don't go now.
Would you rather fail or never try?
I'd rather fail than never try, you know. I'll keep on keeping on, you know. I'll continue to do until I get them right. Just like what we're doing in Fosco TV now. We'll keep doing it. We started somehow and we're here and we're still going forward. A lot of content guys expect. So I'd rather try than not to do anything at all. I'd rather fail than not to do anything at all. You see that one there? You see, an island, it depends on the kind of island. I make I use my hometown, Bonny Island, for example. It's an island. It's in River State. Let's say nobody did it, or make I say, let's fast rewind back to where they discovered the land. Where they say the land are lands of birds and all those things. Deserted, no quiet, nobody did it. Now let's see it from that angle now. If not only me did that kind of place, you know, say I go fit think well. How if you take piante, everyone have to knock boat, canoe, create a way how to come up. But if I go there stuck with one kind of person, we be say it will distract you. You won't even know what to do. At the end of the day, they go meeting at there, night go meeting at there, and the end of the day, go no agree. Maybe one kind of animal or shark will come there, us swallow guys. At the end of the life, with that.
Would you rather have more money or more time?
Both of them dey important. Money and time dey important. If you get more time and you no get money to run am, it's just there. The time just there, nothing dey make am jolly. But if you have more money and you don't have time to, that one sef still makes sense. You have more money, so now you now create out time to enjoy that money. So I rather want to get more money so I can create time to enjoy that money with my wife. You know, so sir.
Would you rather have a cook or a maid?
Now you go dey cook for me, they go. My wife, now you. I also rather have a maid. That you go cook, your hand go like me. So I rather have a maid than to get a cook. What is the house for? What do they run the thing for? Yeah, my wife go dey cook, they go. If you have cook, banga, okazi, ẹ̀fọ́ rírò, ẹ̀fọ́ lọ́bọ̀lọ̀, ẹ̀fọ́ tẹ̀tẹ̀, omi ọbẹ̀, alokante, afang, edikaikan. So now you go dey cook and they go.
Would you rather fight all the time but have a great makeup sex, or never fight and have a mediocre sex?
Wow! That one is what I like this question. Let me now answer it. I'll leave them. I'll rather we go to fight. Every day I will create trouble, we'll fight, I'll frustrate you, fight you. When night come, you give me, I go, wow! The next day again, I'll create issue, disturb you, worry, you go fight right there. So that one will make more sense. So intimacy will be the day ever they go. But just everywhere go just dey calm. Then you will just give me the thing one off or pick quickie. Pity. No. But frustrate you, stress you, give me. Bah! Frustrate you, stress you, give me. That one I like.
How would you feel if I made more money than you?
I'm not gonna feel anyhow. I won't feel it because me as a day now, whatever thing I'm doing, I'm making money and all of that, hustle and all of that, I'm doing it for my family, wife, children. And if God can bless you, gonna make more money. We dey live am for you. Dey live am for the children. So if me I build 2 houses, you build 1. To the glory of God, we go live up to 90, 100 years. The day we will go, we don't go rest our age, 100 and above. Then the children will enjoy my wealth and enjoy your wealth. So it's all those men when they always say, I no go get money, my wife no go get money pass, they know they alright. Mentally they get problems. Hustle, fine, make your money, your wife get money pass you. Thank God, life they go on. So that's me as well. So if you get money past me, I no go vex. So I don't open door for you. Hustle, do your makeup and close.
Why you want build 2 houses? Why will build 1?
If you want build 3 self, if my wife say want build, now she don't ask me the question behind though. This is a follow-up question and she don't ask me nah. Say why me I want build 2 houses and she want okay now build 10. Me I go build 5. Make matter from rest. But everything remember saying that the children get them.
Who was the first person who you kissed?
Now which year? I feel remember self. The first person I kiss. Not feel remember, but the first person when I kiss today. Now you when they ask me this question, my wife. You kissed it. You know that they suck toilet out. Now that thing I use. That's it.
What's the strangest thing you've ever eaten?
Can I even remember? But one thing about me, I'm not a picky eater. I eat anything. I don't chop. Once I never chop frog. I never chop snake. I never chop monkey. I don't know that thing, but I know I eat. So I never strange. I can't remember. So that one, I don't have an answer for that question.
Would you rather have a nosy neighbor or a noisy neighbor?
You see, I'd rather have a noisy neighbor. You see that neighbor when they nosy, now punch I go give him for nose. That is nose. They want to do a broken inside my flat, my compound, everything. I give him a upper, or I give him like this. They block that in nose. I'd rather have a noisy neighbor than to have a nosy neighbor.
Would you rather have a mind-blowing sex once a month or a mediocre sex once a week?
I'd rather have a hot, palatable, well-sauced, garnished sex once a month than to have a quickie, every week. So one is one. Without anything adding, I no go take anything, or say drink or take all those things or take drug. Normal, this will go run out once a month. I prefer that one. That just be having 2 seconds, 3 seconds. A hot one once a month is okay for me.
Would you rather have an unlimited gift certificate to a restaurant or a clothing store?
You see, this thing is this. I'd rather take a clothing store. Reason: if you give me the gift to go, a certificate to go to a restaurant, all I will do, I will just eat. No matter how much the food they have in there, I will eat everything, and I will go to the pinja. You know the pinja, I'll go to the toilet, and I'll go, but everything don't go. But if I go to a clothing store, I'll buy a lot of clothes, and I'll wear them for a while, for maybe some months, a year, and years, and all of that. And I go to say, I remember saying, and the gift when I win for X, Y, Z, X, da. So I think that. And even I go even wear and come the show, as soon as I see this one now. Somebody give me something, I can wear it and say, now this person give me, so I prefer that one than food. But then I won't even eat 7 and mine if you cook. That's not the next one.
Would you rather be fluent in all languages or be a master of every musical instrument?
Okay. I'll break it into two forms now. Talking about the job and all of that, traveling and all that, I would rather want to learn multiple languages and be fluent in them. But talking about romance, want to make you happy as my wife and all of that, I would rather learn multiple instruments. So for the 4 angle for my room, guitar go there, keyboard go there, drum and everything. So we don't do on top bed. When I say I want, I'll just press. Baby, someone lele, someone lele. So I'd rather learn multiple instruments than to be fluent in language.
Would you rather have many friends or one very good friend?
To the glory of God. See this question safe. I'll take it personal. I know I could get plenty friends. I'll get plenty friends. Most friends safe. Now from colleagues they be friends to me. Most friends then I get now from training. Media training and whatever training, I become friends. I don't have much, I don't get plenty friends like that. But I get some good ones, friends and all of that. But I'd rather have one good friend than to have plenty friends and all of that. So that's it. And this let me relate it to the social media. A lot of people get plenty followers and all of that on social media. But in the real sense, when it happens, they see one person, they come and stand for them. So just see them from that angle. So what's the essence of having 1 million friends or 1 million followers? And when you need them physically, in the real sense, something they happen, you need someone to help you, assist you. You never find anybody. So it's useless. One good friend is okay for me.
Would you rather stay married to me, simple me, just me, or have the opportunity to meet a prettier, richer lady, So choose. The
glory of God. So far, now you. After our marriage, when you say yes, I do. Now you are the So thank God so we don't even do some sort of legal rights. And I don't say forever, and me and you will run out. So I don't want to know. Forever now you are always deal with. I don't say one yellow girl do one place or one black girl do one place.
Plenty money.
With plenty money. So I can't run. Now I can't. See, if na vacation, I know that I won't do more than myself. What I have, I'll work what I have. If I won't go vacation, if I lose my money never reach to go Canada and US and all of that, I'll go to Benin. Everything is still vacation. Now, the essence of vacation, I say you don't leave your work environment, your territory, your zone. You just want this somewhere so you can just relax. People can serve you. People can wash clean your room, clean your apartment and all of that. So that's the essence of vacation. See things and all of that. So if not the purpose of vacation be that, I would rather go with my family or go alone to just one small island or a small country, even in Africa, than to say I won't follow one yellow girl, get plenty money, go vacation somewhere, and at the end of the day, end my life with her. So, for the record, am I forever? Life president, now you. So, that's it. I just left the hot seat. It was hot. Funny, the other hand as well. So please, continue to subscribe to our channel, share this video and share other videos on our platform. Please follow us on all social media handles and continue to preach the gospel, which is let's live well. Stay with us. We'll be right back.